Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Cumberland, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving a long distance is always a tough decision to make. It requires more planning, workforce, and permits to complete a distant shift. But thankfully, professional movers, like 3 movers, are already certified, have a team of trained movers, and are permitted licenses to conduct an interstate, outer state, and global shift. And as long-distance shifts can result in wear and tear, our movers use efficient tools to handle your delicate to heavyweight belongs. And additionally, we offer insurance on your products, meaning, in case of any wear and tear, the damage will be bare by us without any extra charge. And as our experts are qualified, they can easily navigate your destination and shift in a defined time. A local move usually does not require many permits, but trained assistance. And it's important to understand that, whether it's local or long distance, the shifting process is still the same. It will require packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and resettlement of your belongings all over again. So, it's always a better option to hire a professional mover and save your time and money. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cumberland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.